what's up everybody? It is DJ Jer here with Shop Time. I did a video on unboxing the ProX Facade. This is the XF Mesa MK2. Again, did some research. I found a Facade that was a really good fit for us. Go watch that video. You can kind of get a little bit more detail on the Facade, but basically I'm just going to show you how easy it is to pop this thing out of the bag, put it up, and you're good to go. So first of all, it does come with a white and a black scrim. I left the black scrim on there. I'm actually going to recommend taking that black scrim off every single time because it's just going to wear and tear if you leave it on there. So taking it off every time, putting it back in the bag, folding it up back in the bag. The bag is really, it's actually a nice sturdy bag. Fold it back up, put it back in here every single time you're done. And again, here's the white one. I would only recommend using the white one if you're in a very clean area because it is going to get dirty. You can take it off and you can wash it, so that's kind of nice. But here is the unit when it's all put together inside the bag. Here's how you can tell if it's the top or the bottom. You've got basically this 3-foot piece, and then you have about this 8-inch piece. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically pick it up, throw the bag off to the side, and again, I'm going to recommend taking that fabric off every single time. So now you're basically just going to open it up like an accordion, and keep in mind your tabletop is inside. So when you're doing this, you just want to make sure that that tabletop doesn't fall out and land on your ankles or your legs. So you're going to pop this piece open, and then your two tabletops are right inside. These are really easy to put together. So really you're basically just going to put the square tube inside, tighten up these little wing nuts. There you go. Tighten up these wing nuts. And then this piece, or these clips, are going to basically go on the inside. We'll flip this Facade around. The nice thing is this Facade is really nice, lightweight. So we're going to turn it around so you can see there on the camera. Pop this open. And then you've got two different heights to put your table. You have a lower height and you have a top shelf height. So if you're using a smaller profile mixer, then you can put it on there. If you have a bigger mixer, then you can put it on the bottom one. So we're going to put this on the bottom. Just going to clip it on the side there, and then bring it in so you can clip it on at a 90-degree angle to get the other side in as well. So it's going to clip in just like that, and then you're good to go. You can put all of your lighting computer, you can put your DJ setup over here. Gives you plenty of room. It's nice and sturdy. You know, you can hold quite a bit. I don't recommend jumping on it or standing on it, but just to show you how stable this Facade is. It's a great little table, great little Facade, and pretty reasonable. These ties here, once you do put the black fabric on, just remember the ties are always going to be at the top, and then you're going to hook the corner on the tops. You're going to hook the corners on the bottom, and then once you've done that, then you can come in here and you can tie on your center, and then do the same on the sides as well. So when you're all said and done, you have this really nice, clean looking Facade, and really easy to put up. Takes about 2.5, 3 minutes to set this thing up, and tear down is just as easy. So take the tabletop off, like so. We're going to take off the scrim, undo the bottom, try to keep it off the floor. Okay, undo the bottom here, fold this piece back up. Throw it back in the bag. Like that. And then you can put both the black and the white inside your Facade area. And what we're going to do is you're going to see one of these bags, we're going to use white gaff tape. We're going to put it on this little handle here, so that way you know that that's the white one, so you don't have to open them up, crap, shoot, I need the black one, so on and so on. It'll just make it nice and quick, nice and easy for you. So you're going to pop the table off. You're going to disassemble the table. Just loosen these screws a little bit, don't take them all the way out, otherwise you'll lose them. And then basically these pieces, you're going to use, just like you have the clips that go over the top of this bar, you're actually going to clip the bottom, put it in like that, like so. Get the other one, put that piece in. Now you have both tabletops sitting inside, the front of the facade. Now all you're going to do is work backwards. You're going to close this up, and now your tabletop is actually being